Hi and welcome to Jaws of Data. My name's Dave. This is data science for curious people. In this video, I want to show you how to import data from a website into R for analysis. This is basically web scraping. That's what this is. So in order to do this, we're going to use a package called HTTR. So let's run that argument through the install packages function. We're then going to import HTTR. We're then going to import HTTR. Let's make sure, yep, everything's good there. Okay, now we want to create a URL variable, which is any URL from the web page. So I'm just going to use this one here from Wikipedia. So we just pass the URL through two double quotes to create a URL object, and we see down at the bottom it looks like it has let's just get a couple of those. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so you see we run it and the object is created. Now what we're going to do is we're basically going to get this. So let's create another object, a variable. Let's call it data is the get function, which comes in the HTTR package. We're going to pass the URL through. It's an argument, and now we've got it. Now if we, well, let's just take a look. Class. Let's just take a look at the class of data. Response. So let's now print data, and there you see the first part of the website. Let's do something a little bit different. Let's use a different function, the content function, which takes data as the first argument. The second one is, there are a few that it can take. I'll just show you quickly. Argument for content. It takes a few. It takes as is null, and as can be. The default for as is null. But let's. And I have taken a look at the documentation, but for time I'm not going to go there now. But there's three different types. There's text. There's raw, and there's, I forget the other one, but let's just do text. And with text, now if we print out content, you see the website is now here. So here it is here. So now we've got, this is the entire website here. So we'll see doc type. There we go. So we do see doc type, which is the start of an HTML document, Wikipedia, free encyclopedia, there's the title, and so on. And there you've got the CSS. I can see some CSS, and here you've got HTML. Okay, so that's one way that you can import information from a website into R. In other words, that you can web scrape with R using HTTR. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day.